Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss English Channel. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Paul. We are so glad to spend this time with you. Do you like talking on the phone? Or maybe you find it stressful?
Phones are a big part of our lives. We use them at work, with family, and even when ordering food. But speaking English on the phone feels harder.
That's true. You can't see the other person's face. You only hear the voice. That makes it more challenging.
But don't worry, today we will practice together. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident on the phone in English.
So stay with us until the end. And remember, every time you watch, you're improving. Subscribe, comment, and share your experience with us.
Let's begin with a little story. Imagine Jesse, a young man working in an office. His boss asks him to call an important client.
Jesse feels nervous. He thinks, what if I don't understand? What if I say something wrong? Have you ever felt the same?
I think many learners feel like Jesse. But when we practice simple phrases, everything becomes easier.
Exactly. Let's listen to Jesse making a call. We will help you learn his words. Ready?
Phone rings. Ring, ring. Hello, this is Jesse speaking. May I speak to Mr. Brown?
Did you hear that? Let's break it down. Hello, this is Jesse speaking. That's a polite way to start a call.
Repeat after me. Hello, this is Jesse speaking. Say it out loud.
Very good. And the second part, may I speak to Mr. Brown? Repeat after me.
May I speak to Mr. Brown? Nice job. This is a polite and formal way to ask.
Now imagine the other person answers, Hello, Jesse. This is Mr. Brown speaking. How are you today?
Jesse replies, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? Did you notice the rhythm? Short and polite.
Let's practice that. Repeat, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Great work. Remember, on the phone, it's better to keep sentences simple and clear.
Now let's add some real-life flavor. Imagine Jesse is not calling a client, he's calling his friend Crystal to meet for coffee.
Ring, ring. Crystal answers. Hello?
Jesse says, Hi, Crystal, it's Jesse. Do you have time for coffee this afternoon?
That's casual and friendly. Let's practice. Repeat. Hi, it's Jesse. Do you have time for coffee this afternoon?
Perfect. And Crystal answers, Yes, I'd love to. What time?
Jesse says, How about 3 p.m. at the cafe near the station?
Crystal replies, Sounds good. See you then.
Did you notice the difference? Business calls are more formal. Friend calls are more casual.
That's very important. Let's compare. Formal. May I speak to Mr. Brown? Casual. Hey, it's Jesse. Are you free?
Exactly. Can you feel the difference? Which one do you use more often?
Think about your daily life. Do you call friends, teachers, customers? Leave a comment and tell us.
Here's a practice challenge for you. Pretend you're calling your friend. Say, Hi, it's me. Do you want to meet later?
Now pretend you're calling an office. Say, Hello, this is your name. May I speak to Ms. Smith?
You're doing wonderful. Mistakes are okay. Remember, practice makes progress, not perfection.
Let's bring Jesse back. This time, he needs to leave a message because the person is not available.
Ring, ring. Hello, Mr. Brown is not here. Would you like to leave a message?
Jesse replies, Yes, please. Could you tell him Jesse called? My number is 555-1234.
Did you hear that? Could you tell him Jesse called? Very polite. Repeat after me. Could you tell him Jesse called?
Excellent. And then, my number is 555-1234. Always clear and slow when giving numbers.
That's a good tip. Numbers on the phone are tricky. Say them one by one, not too fast.
Let's practice together. Say, my number is 987-6543.
Great. Now let's have some fun. Imagine Jesse is traveling in another country. He needs to book a hotel by phone.
Jesse says, "Hello, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please."
The receptionist replies, "Sure. What dates would you like?"
Jesse answers, "From March 5th to March 7th.
Okay, we have a room available. Could I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Jesse Lee. That's it. Clear, polite, simple. You can do the same."
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Excellent. And now, could I have your name, please?
You sound amazing. Step by step, you're becoming confident on the phone.
Before we close this page, let's review what we learned. Formal phrases for business, casual phrases for friends, useful words for leaving a message.
And also, tips for numbers and hotel booking.
Wonderful progress today. Even if you remember only one phrase, you are moving forward.
Don't give up. Learning takes time. Every small step is a big win.
Stay with us for page 2, where we will explore more creative phone conversations, idioms, and fun practice.
Yes, and we'll add surprises to make you laugh and learn at the same time.
You're doing great, dear friend. Believe in yourself. We'll see you in the next part.
Welcome back, dear friend. Thank you for staying with us. This is page 2, and we're going to make phone conversations even more fun.
That's right. In the last part, we learned formal and casual calls. Today, let's add more colorful expressions and idioms you can use.
Let's start with a simple phrase. Hold on a moment. It means, please wait. On the phone, people say it all the time.
For example, Crystal is cooking dinner when her phone rings. She answers, "Hello? Oh, hi, Jesse. Hold on a moment. I'll wash my hands."
Repeat after me. Hold on a moment.
Great. Now, a fun idiom. Can you hear me now? We say this when the signal is bad.
Imagine Jesse on a noisy bus. He says, "Hello, Crystal? Can you hear me now? The bus is so loud."
Repeat after me. Can you hear me now?
Very good. This is useful when traveling, especially with poor internet.
Here's another useful phrase. I'll get back to you. It means I will answer later.
Let's put it in a story. Jesse calls his teacher to ask about homework. The teacher is busy. She says, "I don't have the answer right now, Jesse. I'll get back to you."
Repeat after me. I'll get back to you.
Excellent. These little phrases make your phone English natural.
Let's play with another situation. Jesse needs to cancel a meeting with Mr. Brown. That's always difficult.
Ring, ring. Hello, Mr. Brown? I'm sorry, I cannot meet today. Can we reschedule for tomorrow?
No problem, Jesse. Tomorrow works fine.
Notice the keyword, reschedule. Repeat after me. Can we reschedule?
Perfect. It shows respect and politeness.
Now, let's involve you, dear listener. Imagine you forgot to meet your friend. What would you say? Pause, think, and try in English.
You could say, "I'm sorry, I forgot. Can we meet later?" Mistakes happen, and being polite is important.
Yes, kindness on the phone makes people feel respected.
Let's play with another idiom. To hang up. It means to end the call.
Example, I was talking to my brother, but then he suddenly hung up.
Repeat after me. He hung up. Excellent. But remember, hang up on someone sounds rude. Better to say, "Sorry, I have to hang up now."
Good point. Let's practice. Sorry, I have to hang up now.
Great. Now, let's switch to a funny situation. Jesse calls a pizza shop.
Ring, ring. Hello, Pizza World, how can I help you?
Jesse says, "Hi, I'd like a large pepperoni pizza, please."
The worker says, "Sure. What's your address?"
Jesse replies, 123 Main Street. And please hurry, I am very hungry.
That's casual, but fun. Repeat after me. I'd like a large pizza, please.
Nice. Everyday English is tasty, right?
Absolutely. And here's a cultural tip. In English-speaking countries, people often say their phone number slowly in groups.
For example, 555 26 48. Not 555 2648, but 555 26 48.
Let's practice. Say 555-3472.
Great job! Numbers can be confusing, but don't rush.
Let's add some emotion. Sometimes on the phone, we share feelings. Jesse calls his mom.
Hi, Mom. I miss you. I just wanted to hear your voice.
His mom replies, "Oh, Jesse, I'm so happy you called."
Isn't that beautiful? Words on the phone can bring warmth to someone's heart.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I just wanted to hear your voice.
Lovely. Use this line with someone you care about.
Now, let's try a little challenge. Emily, I'll be the boss, and you be Jesse.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, Jesse. I need you to send the report by 5 p.m. today.
Yes, Mr. Brown. I'll send it by 5 p.m. Thank you.
Did you hear the key phrase? I'll send it by 5 p.m. It shows responsibility.
Repeat after me. I'll send it by 5 p.m.
Perfect. Business calls need clear time expressions.
Now let's add one more idiom. To be on the same page. It means to agree.
For example, before the meeting, let's talk on the phone to make sure we are on the same page.
Repeat after me. We are on the same page.
Fantastic! This makes you sound like a pro at work.
Dear listener, which phrase do you like most today? Write it in the comments below.
And here's your homework. Call a friend or family member. Use one new phrase from today's lesson.
If you're shy, practice with yourself first. Pretend to call. Say the words aloud.
Yes, even talking to the mirror helps. The more you practice, the more natural it feels.
Remember Jesse? At the beginning, he was nervous, but now, after practice, he feels stronger and more confident.
And you too, dear friend. Every phrase you repeat adds power to your English voice.
Let's end with a quick review. Useful phrases. Hold on a moment. Can you hear me now? I'll get back to you. Can we reschedule? I have to hang up now.
Plus idioms like on the same page and tips about numbers, politeness, and showing feelings.
You are amazing. Even one phrase today makes your English better.
Never forget, mistakes are normal. They're not failure, they are learning steps.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking. Your voice matters.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Ms. English channel, share with friends, and comment your favorite phrase.
We believe in you. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, happy learning and happy phone conversations.